Good morning or good afternoon. We are Class 3E, Group 1. We are going to introduce the emblem about the democratic government. To start, let us introduce what democracy is. Democracy is a system of government by the whole population. Democracy is a system of government by the whole population or all the eligible members of a state, typically through elected representatives. A system of parliamentary democracy. What features of a democratic government have? Firstly, there are human rights in the democratic government, for example freedom of speech and mass. People can disagree with their government. Moreover, when citizens suffer from unfair treatment, they can start protests to get back their deserve. Secondly, people are equal before law. Everyone must be treated equally under the law regardless of race, gender, color, ethnicity, religion, disability, or other characteristics. Lastly, fraternity is also a feature of the democratic government. Government helped the poor such as allowance, open a shelter during the natural hazard. And now we are going to talk about the poster. This is our emblem. In the middle, we put a Statue of Liberty. On the left side, we put a comic about freedom of speech. On the right side, we put a Republic Party flag, Libra and a comic. We put a Statue of Liberty in the emblem because we want to express that the US government doesn't control human rights. There is freedom of speech and freedom of the media. For example, they can talk about how does the policy is good or bad. Any media can criticize the government and they will not be arrested. We put a comic in the emblem because we want to tell the citizens that they have freedom of speech. They can have different views towards the government. They can talk about anything they want. They will not be arrested because of their speech. We put a Libra in the emblem because we want to express that there are justice, balance, harmony and fair play in the US. We put a Republic Party flag in the emblem because we want to express that the US is a Republican system of government that symbolizes, every citizen has the right to vote or bring a president. And that's the end of our presentation. Thanks for listening.